Hello everyone and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this quick, easy and delicious homemade hummus. I'm using the store-bought chickpeas in the can, so it will be fast to make. You can use any brand you would like. You're gonna add the chickpeas into a blender, homemade tahini. For the recipe, check the description below. Pinch of cumin, drizzle of avocado oil. Blend it to a smooth paste. Please subscribe for more videos and share it to hummus lovers. Check for taste. If anything missing, add it now. Look at this perfect consistency. Yummy. Let's plate. Put some hummus in a plate and twirl it around as I show. You can just leave it like that, but it's better to drizzle on that a little bit of more oil. Shake it around, shake. It already looks good like that, but I like to sprinkle on that some za'atar spice. And if you like spicy, some hot paprika, or if you like the color, just sweet paprika. That's it. Now every time you want hummus, you know how to make it quick and easily.